Have you ever faced the frustration of trying to convert a string to a date-time offset only to hit a wall with errors? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle this common issue and show you the best way to handle it. I totally get it. It can be really annoying when your code throws exceptions just because the string format isn't right. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I convert a string to date-time offset, especially when the string is in an incorrect format like 000-00? They want a simple solution that defaults to the current date-time offset when the input is invalid. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this together. So what's the issue here? When you try to parse a string that isn't in the correct format, it throws an exception. This can be a real headache, especially if you want your code to handle errors gracefully. We'll break down how to manage this effectively. And stick around. At the end of this video, I have a quick one-liner solution that will make your life so much easier when dealing with date-time offset conversions. To handle the conversion of a string to date-time offset, the user can use a simple conditional statement. This will check if the input string is equal to 0000-00. If the input string matches 0000-0000, the user should return the current date-time offset. Otherwise, they can attempt to parse the string normally. For any other string that cannot be parsed, the user can wrap the parsing logic in a try-catch block. This will allow them to handle exceptions gracefully. Putting it all together, the user can create a single line of code that incorporates these checks and returns the appropriate date-time offset. Fun fact, did you know that the date-time offset structure was introduced in .NET Framework 2.0? It helps manage time zones and offsets, making it a powerful tool for developers. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests creating a helper method to handle the conversion. This method checks if the input string is 00000000. If it is, it returns the current date-time offset. Otherwise, it attempts to parse the string. If parsing fails, it defaults to DateTimeOffset.now. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests a simple one-liner in C#. This function checks if the input string is 000000 or if it can be parsed into a date-time offset. If not, it defaults to the current date-time offset. Remember, handling exceptions gracefully is key to writing robust code. By using this one-liner, you can avoid unnecessary crashes and keep your application running smoothly. And there you have it. You now have a simple and effective way to convert strings to date-time offset without running into errors. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more coding tips and tricks. And don't forget to check out our next video for more coding solutions.